Hi, this is Kalia from Crafting on the Fly. Today I'm going to show you how to make these glitter polymer clay earrings. So first, the supplies. You need some white polymer clay. I used the Sculpey Primo, that's really good for earrings. Then a rolling pin. I also use a little needle type thing to make the hole. Lots of nice glitter, you can use any color. And then a stamp. A cutter, and Mod Podge Dimensional Magic, and of course a nice ceramic tile to bake it all on. So first you roll out your clay, and then you use the glitter, use really fine glitter, and just sprinkle it right on there. And use your fingers to even it all out, and also to press it a little bit into the clay. And spread it all out. And then I'm using a different color on top. And do the same thing, just spreading it out with my fingers. And then you just use the rolling pin to get any excess clay off. Glitter off, and then also really press it in. And then you can use your cutter, any shape that you would like. You can even use just your cookie cutters or anything, and then just cut 2 pieces out that you're going to use for your earrings. And then just take off the excess clay, and then once it's all off, you can add the hole now. That's what I normally do. I do it before I bake them. And this way it's already all set. And this tool actually does, it's like a embossing tool, but it's nice to just get the hole in. And all the supplies are linked below. And there you have your glitter. Just bake it like you normally would. And then using some Mod Podge Dimensional Magic that I'm going to add to at the end to really seal that glitter in. And I'm using a standard grip mat so that it's a tacky mat that keeps your pieces in place. You don't have to hold it with one hand. And this way you can really put a thin layer of that Dimensional Magic on here and then just let it dry. And then all you have to do is just add your jewelry findings to it with some pliers, and your earrings are ready. So do that, just get an even coat on for both earrings, and that's it. They're nice and shiny, beautiful, glittery, and nothing will come off. Thanks for watching.